When your Samsung mobile phone is broken, what will you do? You may feel helpless at this moment, but no worries. Samsung Customer Service Center will be your solution, so why not just go there and have a tour? Can you notice that many people are waiting in the customer service center? Here comes a question. How long do they have to wait? In our investigation, we found that the arrival rate is 57 customers per hour. Service rate is 6 customers per hour. Average number of service per day is 11, and arrival rate divided by service rate is 9.5. From the average queue length MMC queuing model, we found that the average queue length is 3.0732 customer, and average waiting time in queue is 3.23 minutes. In the calculation, the waiting time should be just 3 minutes. However, that's another story in the reality. We wait more than 45 minutes during our observation. So, what's the reason behind? It's explainable as the variability exists. The arrival rate divergent according to the time period. The demand is sparse in the morning but overcrowded at night. The MMC queuing model can only represent the average waiting time, but it cannot show the inconsistency of different periods. Samsung Customer Service Center provides multi-service, but the mobile repair service is excessive and causes a long queue. The calculation determines the average time of every service that Samsung provides. It cannot represent the specific situation, so expectation and reality is not correspond. In Samsung Customer Service Center, mobile phone can be temporarily borrowed. You can charge your mobile's battery and upgrade your mobile's software. There are water, computers and tablet for free usage, free Wi-Fi for connection, some seats, and magazine. We can see Samsung is trying to occupy customers' waiting time. To let the customers feel a shorter wait, we suggest establishing a Samsung Care mobile app, which enable customers to go around like shopping downstairs at the same time, and they can track the latest ticket number and how long they should wait in order to make their wait become occupied and certain. To shorten the waiting time of customers, we advise Samsung to add a self-service on website. First, customers have to fill in online application form, including the estimated problem of electronic devices, and upload a copy of original receipt. They need to visit the right center and put their cell phone together with the reservation copy inside the collection box. With the self-service now, customers could do the form filling process in advance to save their waiting time at the service center. This is the end. Thank you.